This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video, I'm going to be going through a three-dimensional trigonometry problem which are very commonplace on the Leaving Cert higher level examination. Our example reads, a vertical tower stands 91 meters on a horizontal plane. A tourist is standing at point C. From C, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower A is 32 degrees. The tourist's husband is standing at a point D, which is 235 meters from the base of the tower B. Given that the angle CBD is 49 degrees, calculate to two decimal places, 1. the length of BC, and 2. the length CD. So the first thing you should do in any of these three-dimensional questions is to create a diagram for yourself using the information given. And the trickiest thing with these three-dimensional problems is drawing a diagram which is both easy to read and easy to understand. And the way I like to do this is by shading in what's on the ground, like I have done here. So this area inside this triangle is what you would see if you had a bird's eye view of the tower and the two people. So our tourist is standing here at point C with her husband at point D, and our tower, of course, at point B to point A being 91 meters tall. The other information we're given in the question is that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 32 degrees. That is this angle here. And the other angle we're given is that the angle CBD on the ground is 49 degrees. This angle here. So from this information, we need to work out the length BC and the length CD. And we're also told that the husband is 235 meters from B at the point D, where he is standing. So if we're looking to calculate the length BC, we're going to have to look at this triangle here between the woman at point C, the top of the tower at A, and the base of the tower at B. So to find our BC, we look at this triangle here. We notice that we have a right angle at B because the tower goes straight up vertically in the air, which means we can use our sine cos tan to work out what this value that we're looking for, x, is, the length from B to C. So if we're given this angle here and these two sides, we should be using our tan because we have our opposite O and our adjacent A, but we do not know our H. So sine and cos won't work. So instead we'll use tan. So we have here that tan of 32 degrees is equal to 91 over x, which is O over A. Rearranging then, by multiplying both sides by x, we get x multiplied by tan 32 is 91. Dividing both sides by tan 32 gives us that x is 91 divided by tan 32, and if we use our calculators we can get that x is 145.63 meters when we round to 2 decimal places.